Welcome back to The Blend. We're getting you back in the game. Our next guest uses cutting-edge technology to repair your body with hip and knee replacements. For over 10 years, Dr. Michael Crovetti has been taking care of patients from the operating room to outpatient treatment. And Dr. Crovetti's here with us now. He's the founder of Crovetti Orthopedics and Outpatient Surgical Recovery Suites. Hello, sir. Welcome back.
Thank you.
All right, so for those who didn't see you the last time we were here, I was amazed by what you guys offer. What's so new about what you do?
Well, we offer an out-of-hospital experience for hip and knee replacement. So our patients come into our surgery center, have a minimally invasive technique, get a hip or knee replacement, then they're discharged, and we admit them into a private suite for 3 days and basically take care of them for 3 days.
And this is not like being in the hospital where it's a private suite where like you hear the beep, beep, and it just, you know, it kind of like looks like a hospital. This is state-of-the-art, like awesome, almost like a hotel room.
You know, it's prettier than a hotel room, actually, and you know, the people there are prettier as well. We get them up and we get them moving. Within 3 hours of surgery, you're literally up and walking down the hall, which is awesome. Pretty amazing.
That's pretty cool. Now, I know your Henderson facility, actually, you're nearly reached your 400th outpatient total joint replacement there, right?
We did, and interesting, in the country, this has not been done. So 400 of these created this great database to make people all around the country believe that they can do hip and knee replacements in the outpatient setting.
And people are doing it. They're coming from all around the country to come here to have it done. Where are they coming from? Like
that was something we didn't expect. They're coming from Alaska. They're coming from New York.
Wow.
Our furthest patient actually is from China, which was amazing, amazing. Came here, did fantastic, was here a couple weeks after surgery and went home.
No kidding.
Yeah, showing off his new hip.
It's kind of like, we have a picture of the Alaska visitor here. And wow, I mean, it's kind of like coming to Vegas for a vacation, and oh yeah, I'm going to get that whole hip thing taken care of. Yeah, and that picture was taken 3 hours after surgery right there. No kidding. Yeah, he was up walking down the hall. Pretty amazing. He had a knee replacement. Wow. That's remarkable. How does this fit into medical tourism? What exactly is medical tourism? Medical tourism, and Las Vegas has a huge push on medical tourism right now. They're doing a great job of putting together a team to bring patients from around the country, not necessarily around the world, but around the country to Las Vegas for many different medical procedures. Mm-hmm. And you wouldn't believe it, but with the amazing doctors we have here and the visibility of certainly our city, it's a perfect place for somebody to come get better. No question. I know you want to replicate this in other parts of the country as well. We do. Actually, we have 4 different centers being developed in the country right now. Awesome. Denver, Bradenton, Florida. We're working on a center down in Scottsdale, up in St. Louis. So this concept and the things that we've done in the first 400 is really setting the standard for the country. The model's pretty unique. Why has this not been done before? It almost sounds like a no-brainer. You get to have this taken care of in a super comfortable setting, and you almost are treated like a superstar. Well, traditionally, hip and knee replacement was this huge procedure. Yeah. Hours in surgery, there was blood loss. It was a big deal. And patients laid in the hospital for 3 or 4 days. Now, with our new techniques, better implants, you're talking about 45 minutes of surgery, up and walking within a couple hours of surgery. You know, it's just changed. The techniques have changed and made it possible. There are some people that might have been putting off the procedure that they've needed for years, and they're living with the pain. They don't want to go to the hospital. Oh, they should come to you. How do they get in touch with you, and what does the initial consultation go like? Well, when they come into the office, first of all, on the pain side, everybody's afraid of the pain of a joint replacement, right? We have an under 5 program. So we keep your pain under 5 the entire time you're in our facility. That's amazing enough. Our staff is specially trained to make sure we keep your pain under 5. If they go to CrovettiOrtho.com, we're pretty big on our website. It's our passion, and it'll be evident all over the website. Now, for those who have never heard of this before, they want to come in, they want to have this taken care of. They can find out stuff on the website. Do they have to have a doctor send them to you, or can they just go on their own? Actually, it usually depends on their insurance. Okay. Most often today they can come on their own, and they can come see us and start talking about having a hip or knee replacement, see our facility, and usually that helps put it over the top. Awesome. Now, the hip and knee replacements over the years, tell us how the technology's really moved forward, because it used to be, as you said, a massive procedure. How many years ago was that? You know, 15 years ago it was different than it is today. 10 years ago it was different. Now
Now with our minimally invasive techniques and great teams of people put together to put them in, you're literally talking about 45 minutes for a procedure for a hip and knee replacement.
That's amazing.
I mean, it's almost unheard of. But again, those smaller incisions, less muscle involvement, makes it an easier procedure for patients and for doctors.
Where are you guys located in the Valley?
We're down in Henderson.
Okay.
You remember Henderson?
Yeah, I think I've been to Kentucky before.
We're down in Henderson by Coronado High School.
Awesome.
Horizon Ridge in Coronado.
Awesome. Well, it's a really cool facility, and if I am ever in need, I'll be in touch.
We're happy to have you.
All right, it's great having you, man. Thank you so much. Again, outpatient surgical recovery suites. They're located on Horizon Ridge Parkway in Henderson. If you want more information about them, you can just visit the website or call the number on your screen. They're also on Facebook. It is really top-notch. Got to check it out. All right, still